thank you. Thank you for enjoying my video. If you'd like to order copies of my manuscript, Attitude of the Heart, and or Art of Nothing, Art of Nothingness, go down to the description below. There will be the information and the phone number to call, to contact, and to, if you want to purchase my manuscripts, 100-page manuscript, handwritten, calligraphy, and many, many, many drawings of the forms, of all these forms, the animal form, the power animals, the 5 power animals, the 5 elements, the 5 seasons. Chinese had 5 seasons. Down below, my phone number. If you're interested to order, please contact this number, 505-992-1909. Thank you. God bless. Bye.